Hello students, myself Dipak Zade. Today in this lecture we will solve problem of concurrent force system. What is given? Some forces are given and resultant is also given, but inclination of forces unknown. What is given in wording of problem? Just check. To pull a truck along a road. Let's say this one is what? A truck hai, and this one is direction. Is suppose road hai, right? So to pull truck along a road, what is required? A 50 kilonewton force is required. Means this one must be 50 kilonewton is a resultant force required. For this purpose, what is done? Two forces are applied on the truck as shown in figure. To get this resultant, such 30-40 kilonewton forces are applied. But at what angle is not given? Same thing is asked in problem. Find angles made by the two forces with the line of resultant. Now resultant is what? Horizontal. Resultant is acting in horizontal direction. That means, can you say Rx is what? Rx equal to R. That means what is component of resultant along y-axis? 0. Component of resultant along y-axis what? 0. One by one simple Rx, Ry equations will apply. We will get equations, two equations. Now one is of Rx, other equation is of Ry. Unknowns are what? Alpha and beta. Correct? We will try to solve this for alpha and beta. First equation, Rx equal to summation of forces along x-axis, assuming rightward force is positive. Rx is R and is equal to what? 50 kilonewton. That means this one is on left side 50. In summation of Fx, we will resolve this 40 and 30 kilonewton. Component of 40 rightward positive. Angle is with horizontal component cos alpha, means component of 40 becomes what? Plus 40 cos alpha. And component of 30 is also rightward. Angle is going with horizontal. The horizontal component 30 cos beta. Means this equation becomes what? Component of 40 cos of alpha plus 30 cos of beta. If we divide by 10, it becomes easy. That means I can write here 4 cos alpha plus 3 cos of beta equal to what? 5. Say equation number 1. Up to this step any problem? Clear, na? Simply Rx का equation है 50 equal to 40 cos alpha and 30 cos beta. Dividing through by 10, तो ये 5 equal to this one. I have taken this term on left side, ये इधर डाल दिया, right? Next equation is what? Ry equal to summation of Fy, assuming upward forces positive. Ry तो 0 है. No resultant along y-axis. Reason? Resultant horizontal है. Therefore, Ry is what? 0. In Fy, component of 40 upward, na? Check करो. Angle with horizontal. Vertical component sine upward plus 40 sine alpha. Component of 30 downward minus 30. Angle with horizontal. Vertical component sine of beta. Is can I say 40 sin alpha equal to 30 sin beta? Means 4 sin alpha equal to 3. 4 sin alpha equal to 3 sin of beta. Is suppose equation number 2. Now see here. In equation 1 alpha beta, equation 2 alpha beta. Problem क्या है कि this is in cos and this one is in sin. What we have to do? एक अल्फा टर्म इन टर्म्स ऑफ बीटा, इफ इट इज पॉसिबल टू सब्सटीट्यूट, तो इक्वेशन विल गेट ओनली इन टर्म्स ऑफ वन. ये अल्फा इन टर्म्स ऑफ बीटा पॉसिबल है क्या? तो कॉस अल्फा इन टर्म्स ऑफ बीटा. हियर साइन अल्फा इन टर्म्स ऑफ साइन बीटा है, राइट? साइन अल्फा इन टर्म्स ऑफ कॉस अल्फा पॉसिबल है क्या? बिकॉज हियर सब्सटीट्यूशन व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड इज ऑफ कॉस अल्फा. नाउ व्हाट विल डू? साइन अल्फा इक्वल टू 3 by 4 sin beta. Correct? Sin alpha is what? 3 by 4 sin beta. Sin alpha Sin square theta plus cos square theta is what? 1. Means sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. Means sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is what? 1. Means sin square alpha becomes 1 minus cos square alpha. Means sin alpha, can you write root of 1 minus cos square alpha? Sin alpha will write as what? 1 minus cos square alpha. Here 1 minus cos square alpha is what? 1 minus cos square alpha is what? Is sin alpha, and is equal to what? 3 by 4 sin beta. Correct? तो स्क्वायर रूट में आया, स्क्वेयरिंग बोथ द साइड, तो इधर का रूट निकल गया, 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा इक्वल टू, इधर स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, मीन्स व्हाट? 9 बाय 16 साइन स्क्वायर बीटा. करेक्ट? From this one we will try for what? Cos alpha. Now I will write here on right hand side. सब substitution type है, pure mathematics. I will write 1 minus this value is cos square alpha. Means cos square alpha equal to 1 minus 9 by 16 sin square beta. Clear? कुछ प्रॉब्लम? स्क्वायर के अभी 1 माइनस दिस वैल्यू है ना, इक्वल टू कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा. नाउ दिस वन इफ विल सिंप्लीफाई, व्हाट विल गेट? 16 minus 9 sin square beta upon 16. This is what? Cos square alpha. If we take root, we will get cos alpha. Cos alpha becomes what? 16 का root हो गया 4, and this one becomes 16 minus 9 sin square beta. This is value of cos alpha. Okay, this is value of cos of alpha. Now this cos alpha will substitute in equation 5. See here, equation 1, not equation 5, equation 1. 4 cos alpha is what? 16 minus 9 sin square beta upon 4. तो 4 से 4 मर जाएगा, राइट? प्लस 3 cos of beta equal to what? 5. 4 गया, तो what I'll do? Root of 16 minus 9 sin square beta is equal to 5 minus 3 cos beta. 5 minus 3 cos beta. Clear? कुछ प्रॉब्लम? इधर रूट है तो again we'll take square, right? Squaring both the side. This becomes what? 16 minus 9 sin square beta, and this is a minus b bracket square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. ये करेंगे तो 25 minus 2ab, right? Minus 2ab cos of beta plus 9 cos square beta. करेक्ट है ना? किधर मिस्टेक नहीं हुआ ना? वेरी गुड. इधर 9 साइन स्क्वायर बीटा है, इधर 9 कॉस स्क्वायर बीटा. मीन्स ये टर्म अगर इधर जाएंगे तो 9 कॉमन कॉस स्क्वायर बीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर बीटा, ये 1 हो जाएगा. मीन्स दिस वन विल टेक ऑन राइट साइड, तो 9 हो गया, राइट? 16 इक्वल टू 25 माइनस, इट बिकम्स व्हाट? 30 ना? 30. यस, 10 into the cos beta, cos of beta plus 9 cos square beta plus 9 sin square beta. Cos square beta sin square beta ऐड करेंगे तो 1, तो 9 कॉमन में दिस वन इज व्हाट? ये 9. मीन्स 30 cos of beta will take on लेफ्ट साइड, तो ये प्लस हो गया. 25 plus 9 34. 34 minus 16 कितना आता है? 18 है ना? करेक्ट है ना? 25 plus 9 34. 34 minus 16 18, and a 30 cos beta. Miss cos of beta is what? 18 by 30. तो will get angle beta. करो तो cos inverse of 18 by 30. बीटा कम्स आउट टू बी व्हाट 53.13 आना चाहिए 53.13. This is your first answer. Now this beta will substitute in this equation, in any equation. ये इसमें कर सकते हैं. Say equation A, beta is known ना, तो इधर beta substitute तो अल्फा मिलना चाहिए, right? Equation A, if we'll substitute, what will get? Sin alpha equal to 3/4 sin of beta, and beta is what? 53.13. From this one we'll get what? Angle alpha. How much? 36.869 means 87 degrees आना चाहिए. This is your angle, right? थोड़ा मैथमेटिक्स ज़्यादा है क्वेश्चन में, right? Mechanics means equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and this one is your equation number 2. आपका मैकेनिक्स खत्म होगा इधर, and then pure mathematics से will get angle alpha. So such problems are also possible. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Tata bye bye. See you again.